Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a humble woman named Amina. She was known for her kindness, always willing to help anyone in need. Her house was modest, but her heart was vast. Amina had no wealth, but her blessings were worth more than gold. Amina's son, Fahad, was a bright young boy with dreams of becoming a successful doctor. However, their family was poor, and Amina knew that getting an education for Fahad would not be easy. Despite this, she always encouraged him, reminding him that with hard work and dedication, nothing was impossible. One day, a wealthy businessman named Hassan visited the village. He was known for his generosity, and the villagers often sought his help. Amina saw this as an opportunity for Fahad's education. She decided to go to Hassan's mansion and ask for his support. Fahad was hesitant, knowing how little their family had, but his mother assured him that a blessing from the heart could change their fate. Amina made her way to Hassan's grand home. She knocked on the door, and a servant led her to the businessman. Hassan, sitting in a luxurious chair, looked at the poor woman standing before him with curiosity. "What brings you here, woman?" he asked coldly. Amina, with her gentle voice, spoke. "Sir, I have a son who dreams of becoming a doctor. We cannot afford the costs, but I believe that a kind heart can change the world. I ask for your help, not for me, but for my son's future." Hassan looked at her, surprised by her calm demeanor and sincere words. He paused, thinking for a moment. Then he said, "I am not in the habit of helping those who cannot repay me. Why should I help you?" Amina, undeterred, placed her hand on her heart and said softly, "I do not ask for wealth, but a blessing for my son. I believe that your blessings will guide him toward success." Something in her words touched Hassan's heart. He had never experienced such genuine kindness and humility. He placed his hands on Fahad's head and blessed him, saying, "May you find the strength to rise above all challenges. May your hard work and sincerity bring you the success you seek." Amina smiled, her heart filled with gratitude. "Thank you, sir," she whispered. Over the next few years, Fahad worked tirelessly. He studied late into the night, often with little to eat or drink. But he never gave up, for he carried the blessing of a kind heart with him. Slowly, he rose above his circumstances, excelling in his studies and eventually earning a scholarship to a prestigious medical school. Years later, Fahad became a successful doctor, renowned for his skill and compassion. He never forgot the blessing that had set him on his path. He returned to his village, not as the boy who once struggled, but as a man with the power to change lives. He built a clinic for the poor, providing free health care to those in need. One day, as Fahad was tending to a patient, he saw an elderly woman in the waiting room. She looked familiar. As she stepped forward, he realized it was Amina, his mother. "You did it, my son," Amina said with tears in her eyes. Fahad smiled and said, "No, mother. It was your blessing, your love, and your belief in me that gave me the strength to achieve everything. The power of your blessing changed my life." Amina looked at him with pride, knowing that sometimes The simplest act of kindness and love can have the most powerful impact. It wasn't wealth or riches that had transformed Fahad's life, but the power of a mother's blessing, one that had been given with nothing but pure, heartfelt intention. And so, the village learned that the true power of blessing lies not in material things, but in the love and encouragement we offer to one another.